Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're doing a roast. You know, actually this episode should be quarantine cooking because I'm currently quarantined, my bad. So we're gonna cook this, braise I believe is the technical term, and that wine with some of that oil, you know, life's good. And I think that says Menage, trois, what I believe is French for a three-way. Now, since it's French, I assume it's of the Eiffel Tower variety, but I don't know. It could be multiple different ways.